we are speaking of survival. We are speaking of a culture that has refused to die. Carried on the strong shoulders of the Izintumbi, see how they stand, unified, a regiment of grace. They move with the discipline of an army, but their weapon is joy. Their shield is tradition. In a world that is losing its memory, they are the living archives. Every bead on their neck is a sentence in our history book. Every song they sing is an echo from the days of King Shaka. They have chosen to walk the path of their grandmothers, to say, I am Zulu, I am here, and I am proud. That kind of pride is contagious. It makes the old men weep with joy. It makes the young boys stand straighter. And when they dance, yeah, the dust rises to meet the sun. It is the sound of the earth acknowledging its queens. They stomp the ground to wake up the ancestors, to tell them, do not worry, we have not forgotten. They are the guardians of the moral fiber. They are the promise that the crowd will never be empty. When they lift that reed, they are lifting the morale of an entire people, straight, unbroken, pure. So, let the drums beat loud over the valleys of Namgoma.